Do you want to download unlimited videos, audios, sound effects, graphic templates, fonts, photos, WordPress items, and 3D models and much more with just one subscription? Then continue watching this video. Hi everyone, I am Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. In this video, let me introduce you to the Envato Elements. Envato Elements is a one-stop shop for all your creative assets needs. If you are a content creator or YouTuber or online instructor, then you are in constantly need of videos, audios, fonts, photos, presentation templates, graphic templates, 3D models, etc. And it's not feasible to pay each time you use certain videos, fonts, photos or other sound effects or audios for your particular project, because that becomes very costly and not affordable. What if you could just download unlimited videos, audios, presentation templates, graphic templates, fonts, photos, WordPress items, 3D models and much more with just one subscription? If you are one of those who want the unlimited stocks, unlimited files, videos, presentation, graphic templates with just one subscription, then you must get the Envato Elements subscription, because this is the only subscription at this moment on the market which gives you everything with just one subscription. And what is the benefit of this? That you can just download any amount of assets. It has 54 plus million assets at this time, and more are being added every day. And all the Envato Elements item you can download, they are covered with the commercial lifetime license. So once you download them, and you can use it forever. So you can just download each time you create a new project, just download it, and they are covered within your subscription. And there is no commitment, you can cancel it anytime. And the subscription is very affordable. As you can see that the individual plan starts at $16.50 per month. Yes, and if you have a team of 5 or more members, then you can just get it from $10.75 per month. And if you are a student, you can get it 30% off as well. So this is one particular place for all of your needs. So you can just check this out. The link of this is in the description section below. You can just download everything. You can see the stocks video, it has stock footage, it has the motion graphics, let me show you, and it has video templates like broadcast packages, elements, infographics, logo strings, openers and much more. You can see, so these are all free to download. Just download them with your subscription. All you have to do, just purchase one subscription, and you can choose to pay monthly or you can pay yearly. And if you just pay yearly, you will get a huge discount on that as well. You can see there are lots of infographics, and then you have some logo strings and logo openers, thousands of videos, video templates. You can see you can customize each and every options, and it has lots of sound effects as well. At this moment you can see 4,45,667 are the royalty free sound effects. At this moment you have lots of music tracks, 64,791 royalty free audio tracks, and you can sort them with the genre: African, blues, Caribbean, cinematic, children, classic and much more. You can just click on the download, and that is downloaded, and that you can use these anywhere on the web or on for your any project or your client project as well. So this is a real steal deal. So if you want to have this complete freedom to just use any assets in any project, then just go for the Envato Elements subscription. Go ahead, download it and use it, and consider sharing this video with others as well, so that the others can also benefit with this. And if you don't want to just buy the subscription, get the free plan, and with free plans you will get 12 free files every month. Isn't that great? So if that's what you want, go ahead and check out the Envato Elements. The link of this is in the description section below.